They had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Then Tommy said that yes, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was not a human computer teacher, it was a human being. Then Margie said, a man? How could a man be a teacher? Then Tommy replied, well, he just told the boys and girls things, means he teaches boys and girls and gave them homework and asked them question. Then Margie said, a man isn't smart enough, means he knew each and everything. Then Tommy said, sure, he is. Even my father, who is my father here, Tommy's father, knows as much as his teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Then she said, I am keeping a bet. Betcha meaning is bet. It's a bet that he knew only some sufficient information. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute. She wasn't agreed for a debate. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. She thought that a teacher is going to the child's home to teach them. So she said that she don't want a strange man in her house to teach her. Then Tommy started laughing. He said, you don't know much. Margie, the teacher, didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Means there was a special building where the students are going. And all the kids learned the same thing. Then Margie asked that whether all the children are learning same thing. Then Tommy said, sure, if they were the same age. If they are of same age, then they are learning the same thing. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of the each boy and girl it teaches, and each kid has to be taught differently. But Margie said that even her mother sometime once told her that a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl, means the teacher has to teach according to the children's level, that the level of boy or girl up to what they can understand the teacher is telling, that it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently, so there is a need to teach them differently. Then Tommy said, just the same, they didn't do it that way then, but they were not doing this thing previously. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Then he said, if you don't want to read about the school, then no need to read this. Then Margie said, I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished, means they had reached up to less than half when Margie's mother called. Margie's school, means it's a time for school. Then Margie looked up and said, not yet, Mama, means I don't want to study still now. Then Mrs. John, Margie's mother, said, now. You have to do your work now. And it's probably time for Tommy too. And also the time of Tommy's study also. Then Margie told Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Means after finishing our school hour, can we read this book again? Then Tommy said, maybe. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. By keeping his book under his arm, he moved towards his schoolroom. Margie went into the schoolroom, that separate room in her home where the computer was placed. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day, means she was taking her education every day at the same time, as usually we are coming in the school at the same time. Same way Margie's school timing was also same regularly, except Saturday and Sunday, without Saturday and Sunday. Why the school timing is same even they had to take education at the home? Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. If they learn at the same timing regularly, then they can learn better. The screen was lit up when Margie sat in front of the computer. The screen was lightened and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Then the teacher also asked about yesterday's homework. Margie did so with a sigh. Sigh meaning is deep breath. Margie entered her homework with a deep breath. She was thinking about the old schools that they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood, and what kind of schools were that time? That all the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, means they are coming in the school, sitting together in the schoolroom Going home together at the end of the day, they learned the same things so they could help one another with homework and talk about it. Means they can discuss about their homework or even their problems. And the teacher were the people, and teacher who were the teacher in those school, they were the human beings. But the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, as it was a Margie school timing, but she was thinking about the past schools. But teacher was telling about the adding of fractions. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was still thinking about the old days schools, at how the kids loved to go to the schools. She was thinking what kind of fun they had by reading together.